Hey folks, how y'all doing? Fat Guy Flies RC. Let me get this plane turned around here. I'm going to take up the Avanti again for the second time this evening. Had the Vulcan out a while ago and spiraled her into the ground, made a complete pilot error, but I explained it in that video. So we're going to take the Avanti up again. You can't let a crash of a plane keep you from flying. You got to stay at it. And I always suggest, always bring a plane with you that you're extremely confident with. That way, if you know, along with whatever else, and that way if you crash a new plane or you crash a plane, well then you know you still got a plane that you're super confident with, and you know you can fly well. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. Motor's on. This is a fabulous flying plane right here. Oh, the wind's out of this way. We need to get turned around then. We can get turned around. Need to go down here. Take off from this direction.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right. Turned around here. All right, we're going to reset our timer because my last flight I flew 4 minutes and 2 seconds and I still had 50-something% left, and I had the exact same battery in a China Hobby 5000 with a 65C discharge. Beautiful evening to fly this great plane. Plane. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Motor on.
Time remaining
Oh boy.
4 minutes. Gear up. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Gonna have to land her, folks. The wind has kicked way up really bad up high. I can tell. So we're gonna have to make this kind of a short flight. Yeah, it's like much worse up higher. And let me I'm a little overcautious right now. Hold on, I think we can do it one more time. All right, let's just take it easy. We're not going to do anything fancy.
Takeoff flaps.
Make sure both takeoff flaps are down. Yeah, they're down. Okay. Man, that's a beautiful plane.
Time remaining 3. Flaps up. Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah, that's what it is. There's a storm coming in, starting to see raindrops, and with Florida storms, it often means lightning. Okay.
Flaps up.
All right. Well, I only flew for 2 minutes, so let's get her on in. Beautiful plane though, but that storm coming in. Oh, there's rain right there. I don't want to get caught in it. I don't want the electrical interference or get struck by lightning or anything like that. So I don't want my planes to get hurt. I've already lost one plane today. I don't want to lose another, especially not the Avanti. Well, folks, Mother Nature said go in, so I'm going in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. And you can see, got this storm rolling in. Probably could wait it out, but I'm out of batteries now anyways. So bye, y'all. Oh yeah, to continue on with this Avanti flight, look over there. That's coming from the other direction. So I'm going to get caught in two storm cells here in a second. Sorry about the, yeah. Anyways, I want to show you real quick. This is kind of cool. Whenever pilots crash their planes, the ones that they cut the tails off and they hang them up here, which I think is kind of neat. That's where I've got that China Hobby 5000 in the Avanti. That's where I've got the AR 620, which I love. And yeah, there you go. All right, well, I just want to add that to the video. See y'all later. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.